This is LeetCode question number 617, merge two binary trees. This is an easy question. Let's get into it. Okay, given two binary tree and image that when you put on them to cover two other, some node of the two trees are overlapped while the other is not. You need to merge them into new binary tree. The merge rule is that if two nodes overlap, then some node value of as new value of the merged node. Otherwise, the not null node will be used as node of new tree. Okay, let's check with example 1. In this case, root is overlapped, so 1 plus 2 is 3, and then 3 1 also overlapped, so sum is 4, and 2 3 also overlapped, so sum is 5, and then 5 does not overlap, so 5, 4 did not overlap, so 4, and then 7 did not overlap, and 7. Okay, how we can solve this question? You know, tree traverser normally use recursion, so I will gonna use recursion for traverse, and then if there are two nodes, I will add the value, otherwise I will use only one. Okay, let's implement. Okay, in this case, I will use the merge tree as recursion. So recursion has two parts. First is base case, and then second is recursion relationship. Okay, base case is the two cases. First is there are no right child, and then another is there are no left child. If the T1 is the null, I will return only T2. If T2 is null, I will return T1. If T1 is null, I will return T2. And if T2 is null, I will return T1. And recursion relationship is the otherwise there are the two nodes overlap, so I will sum the two node value and then put into T1. Because I don't want to use any extra space. So T1 value, T2 and T2 value, and then T1 left is I will use recursion self merge trees, and T1 dot left with T2 dot left. And then T1 dot right is right tree is self merge trees, and T1 right child and the T2 right child, and then I will return T1. Okay, let's check. Return T. Oh, there are typo. Okay. After it looks good. Okay, let's submit. Okay, in this case, it will traverse not only tree 1 but also tree 2. So the count of node the tree 1's node is m. Count of tree 2's the m. Let's assume this is m, and time complexity is m multiply n, and then space complexity also the m multiply n. Because if the some tree is the skew left or skew right side, in this case depth is mn, and then this one use the same as the system stack SMN. So space complexity worst case, it takes mn space. Thank you.